Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off or lock your device if you have a power button who is creepy and it is not working. So mine is also not working here, and how you can easily turn off the device and lock your device by following a few simple steps I will show you in this video. So you just need to go to your settings, and in the settings you will open up the general, and here you will find out an option named accessibility. Opening up the accessibility, you will find here an option for the assistive touch option. Just open that up and turn on the assistive touch option for you. The app like icon will show up here on your screen, which will be a bubble type like icon, and it will move around anywhere you can place it. And in that icon you will find out a different kind of shortcuts in that bubble. You can easily follow these shortcuts to do different tasks in your device. So we are looking for a lock screen and turning off the device option. You just need to click on device and you will find out lock screen option. You just need to press it once and your screen is going to lock. Pretty much easy step to lock your screen if you have a creepy power button. And after that, the other option which left behind is how you can turn off your device. The process is very simple. You just need to open up your assistive touch, and in device menu you just need to open your lock screen, and you just need to go to your device and press and hold the lock screen for a few seconds. And after that you will find out that here is an option to turn off your device, which will appear normally when you have a good power button. So you just need to slide it down and your device is going to be turned off. Pretty much simple steps, you can follow it easily. And I will also make another video in which I will explain you how you can turn on this device without the need of a creepy power button which is not working. So guys, that is it in this particular video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see the other video, I will put that link in the description when it's ready. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.